Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem. Today I will discuss how to fix missing Bluetooth on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Right click Start button, select Device Manager, expand the Bluetooth. Right click the Bluetooth adapter and select the Enable Device option. Once you complete the step, the Bluetooth option will be available in the Settings app. Restart the computer. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe